Wheat harvest is a tradition that stretches back centuries, yet every year new technologies redefine what's possible in the field. In 2024, two groundbreaking innovations have emerged, poised to dramatically reshape the landscape of wheat harvesting: the CASE IH AF11 combine and the MACDON FD261 flex draper header. These machines represent more than just incremental improvements. They are a leap forward in efficiency, scale, and intelligent design, giving farmers the tools to meet the ever-increasing demands of modern agriculture. The story of wheat harvesting is one of scale and speed. As farms have grown larger and yields have climbed, the pressure to harvest quickly and minimize losses has intensified. Traditionally, this meant relying on multiple machines, working day and night to get the crop in before weather or time could take its toll. But now, with the introduction of the AF11 combine and FD261 header, a new standard is being set for what a single pass through the field can accomplish. The CASE IH AF11 combine, unveiled in early 2024, is not just another machine. It is the flagship of a new era. Classified as a Class 10+ combine, the AF11 stands out for its sheer capacity and technological sophistication. At the heart of the AF11 is its dual rotor technology, an innovation that allows for enhanced crop flow and dramatically reduces grain loss, especially in demanding crops like wheat. Unlike traditional single rotor systems, the dual rotor setup efficiently threshes and separates grain, ensuring that more of the harvest ends up in the grain tank and less is left behind in the field. Capacity is one of the defining features of the AF11. With a massive 567-bushel grain tank, the largest ever offered by CASE IH, the AF11 can keep moving through acres of wheat without frequent stops to unload. This single feature alone streamlines the harvest process, reducing downtime and increasing daily throughput. But it's not just the size of the tank that matters. It's how quickly it can be emptied. The AF11 boasts an industry-leading unload rate of 6 bushels per second, meaning that even the largest tanks can be emptied in moments, allowing grain carts and trucks to keep pace with the combine's relentless progress. Efficient unloading is just one part of the equation. Wheat harvesting is uniquely challenging, with small grains that are notoriously difficult to capture without loss. The AF11's design addresses this head-on, with advanced crop flow systems that maintain a consistent feed, minimizing shatter and loss. Farmers who have struggled with older combines that left precious grains behind in the straw will find the AF11's performance a revelation. Every kernel matters, and the new technology ensures that as much as possible makes it from the field to the bin. This tractor delivers superior traction, reduced soil compaction. Paired with the AF11 is another innovation, the MACDON FD261 flex draper header. Introduced in September 2024, the FD261 is engineered specifically to complement the enormous throughput of today's high-capacity combines. With a cutting width of 61 feet, the FD261 is the widest header MACDON has ever produced, allowing operators to harvest more in a single pass than ever before. For large wheat operations, this means fewer trips up and down the field, reduced fuel costs, and less wear and tear on equipment. The FD261 is built on MACDON's proven FD2 series platform, ensuring reliability and ease of integration. Farmers who are already familiar with FD2 headers will find the FD261's operation intuitive, while benefiting from its expanded capabilities. The header's flex design is particularly valuable in wheat, where uneven terrain and variable crop height can challenge rigid cutting systems. The FD261 adapts to the contours of the field, keeping the cutter bar close to the ground and ensuring a clean, even cut. This not only improves yield, but also reduces the risk of leaving unharvested grain behind. Together, the AF11 and FD261 form a harvesting system that is greater than the sum of its parts. Their combined capacity and efficiency enable farmers to tackle larger fields and higher yields with confidence. Harvesting wheat is no longer a race against time. It's a finely tuned operation where every piece of technology works in harmony to maximize results. For operators, this means less stress, fewer breakdowns, and a harvest season that runs smoother from start to finish. The benefits of these innovations extend beyond the field. As agriculture faces increasing challenges from rising input costs, labor shortages, and unpredictable weather, having equipment that can do more with less is invaluable. The AF11 and FD261 are designed with operational efficiency in mind, helping farmers reduce the number of passes, minimize fuel consumption, and decrease the overall time required for harvest. These efficiencies translate directly into lower costs and higher profitability, ensuring that wheat growers remain competitive in a rapidly evolving market. But the advantages are not just economic. The precision offered by these machines also benefits the environment. By reducing grain loss and optimizing every aspect of the harvest, farmers can ensure that their inputs, water, fertilizer, and time are not wasted. Fewer passes across the field mean less soil compaction, preserving the health of the land for future crops. And with less grain left behind, there's a reduced risk of volunteer wheat and weed pressure, improving crop rotations and long-term sustainability. Technology in agriculture is not static, and the AF11 and FD261 are designed to adapt to changing needs. Both machines come equipped with advanced telemetry and monitoring systems, allowing operators to track performance in real time and make adjustments on the fly. Data from each harvest can be analyzed to identify areas for improvement, fine-tune settings, and plan for the next year. This level of insight was unimaginable just a decade ago, but today it's an essential part of running a successful farm. The introduction of these machines is also a testament to the collaboration between manufacturers and farmers. CASE IH and MACDON have listened to the needs of growers, responding with equipment that addresses real-world challenges. The AF11's massive grain tank and rapid unload rate, combined with the FD261's unmatched width and flexibility, are direct responses to requests for greater capacity, efficiency, and reliability. This spirit of partnership is driving the industry forward, ensuring that innovation is rooted in the realities of the field. Looking ahead, the impact of the AF11 and FD261 is likely to be felt far beyond wheat harvest. Their design principles, scale, efficiency, adaptability, are setting a new benchmark for all crop harvesting equipment. As farms continue to grow and the demand for food rises globally, machines like these will be at the forefront of meeting those challenges. The lessons learned from wheat harvest will inform the development of future equipment for corn, soybeans, and beyond.
And 1100 models
The 2024 wheat harvest marks a turning point. With the AF11 combine and FD261 header, farmers have at their disposal the most advanced harvesting system ever assembled. The result is not just more grain in the bin, but a harvest that runs smoother, faster, and with greater precision than ever before.
For those
who make their living from the land, these innovations are more than just tools. They are partners in the ongoing quest to feed the world. As the sun rises over golden fields, wheat growers can look forward to a season where technology and tradition meet. Armed with the latest advancements from CASE IH and MACDON, they are ready to embrace the future, confident that every acre will be harvested with care, efficiency, and an eye towards sustainability. The wheat harvest has always been a time of anticipation and hard work. In 2024, with the AF11 and FD261 leading the way, it is also a time of promise and possibility.